Today we're gonna try an attempt to paint this fender, see how it comes out. First you need a scuff pad. I already scuffed it, you know. Trying to get rid of all that clear coat first. And then you're also gonna need a tack cloth. And then I ended up buying the color code paint. Give it a try out. Also got the 2K Clear Max spray. And well, this is the first time to see how it goes. Hopefully it comes out good. Then you get your tack cloth. Come in different colors. I just seem to get this one, so this is one that was available. So just take off all that dust para quitar todo ese polvo. Sorry guys, but I don't have a compressor, so that's why we're doing it this way. Gotta shake it for like 2 to 5 minutes. Alright guys, well it's been 2 minutes already. I'm gonna put a light coat, but first I'm gonna check on the cardboard, see how it sprays actually, because I never really used it, so. Okay. There you go. So first, light coat. Always also have a rag ready. Kind of threw some, I don't know if you guys can see some splatter. And you always want to start spraying before the panel or whatever you're painting. So. And release then. Okay. Now we're gonna wait 10 minutes, then do another coat. taking it for all rating, so we should be good to go. Either way though, gotta check. So it's been 10 minutes again, and it looks like we'll be ready now for coat number 3. We seem to get full coverage now. But I was gonna give another quick pass after this, but it's looking good. Another 10 minutes. It looks dry enough now. Dry enough. It is dry. Now I do it one last time. Get ready for clear coat. Always have a mask when you throw clear coat, especially 2K. So you take this top red part off. And you insert it down here and smack it to activate the hardener. Just like that. It does. You guys can see that. If I can show you guys. You see right there? 2 minutes. Do this. Not a lot of time. Just a quick one. No. But it did take a while. Same thing. See that? Sorry guys. The light is not working. Not helping me out. another 10 minutes. Alright guys, we're gonna do the final coat now. So it's been 5 minutes. I want to start taking off the plastic, trying to minimize dust, particles, especially in the garage. Everything seems to be all over the place. So yeah, let's do that. Looks good. Obviously there's going to be a slight color difference, a little bit, because you know, old paint and new paint. This is going to be buff cut, same as here, you know, but it looks good. Alright guys, open up the garage now. Yeah, I'm gonna change the bumper, I know. But gotta polish that.